Hello. Dean here with eXp Realty. And it's another gorgeous day in the beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Today we're here at the Oasis model. This was a new construction home that was just finished, and I'm here to give you a full video tour. So here's the exterior of the property. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 2,000 square feet. It does have a in-ground pool. I'm going to give you a little quick tour of the neighborhood here. This is in Southwest Cape Coral. All right, let's go inside and check this place out. From the outside, you're gonna notice it got the pavers to the entrance and then to the side here as well. You got the AC unit, pool pump, and also the side entrance to the garage. Nice grand entry. These are hurricane impact doors. All right. So like most of our other models, this has the porcelain tile flooring throughout the entire house. You got 10-foot ceilings with the coffered ceilings. The entrance here actually goes up to 14 feet at the very top. Lots of natural light there. Got this beautiful kitchen with the kitchen island. You got extra seating underneath there. You got the matching backsplash and the kitchen island to that of this section over here. This one actually has the microwave. Some of our other models had the vent above the stove. Stainless steel appliances. Then you got your living area or living room with the built-in TV and fireplace enclosure. TV and a fireplace are included. I believe that's a 65-inch TV. You got your dining room right here. Overlooking the pool and the lanai, but we'll get to that last. First stop is going to be in the master bedroom. Again, you got the dual sliders leading out to the lanai area. This is a good sized room, plenty of space for king size bed, dressers, nightstands, all that good stuff. Okay. Freestanding tub with this beautiful backsplash. They actually took out this entire section and made it and put in the porcelain, the tile as well. So they came out really nice. So if you wanted to, you could put a shower door, one of those glass doors on each side. But most people prefer to leave it just open like this. You got some room right there for your towels and your toilet. You got a separate door just for that. All right. So on the opposite side over here, we have the laundry room. It's a really good size. You got a pantry across over here. And then of course, we got the garage in here. Going through the kitchen here, we got a full-size bath. This is your second bath. And then you got the shower doors. This beautiful tile from top to bottom. And then these doors lead out to the pool area. So if somebody's got to use the bathroom, they can use that door without dragging water throughout the house. Bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. This one has a nice view of the water. Large closets. Each room has its own fan, of course. And now for the best part. We're gonna head outside to the pool area. Good size area here. You can easily fit a sitting area on this side and one on that side. And then you have plenty of space over here for a couple lounge chairs, soaking that Florida sun. This home has northern exposure, the rear exposure. So this is on a freshwater canal. Canal is about 80 feet wide. There is a seawall in place. This pool is about 5 foot deep. And then that's that door I was telling you that goes into the full bath. These lots are usually on a standard quarter acre. They're 80 feet wide by 125 feet deep. So you got somewhat of a backyard back here. Of course, you got this beautiful view in your backyard. Nice fishing back here. All right, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Oasis model. If you have any questions about this particular model or any other homes here in Cape Coral, reach out to me. Let's discuss it further. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.